Number 7, lines and spaces. We already talked about the fact that every line and space on the staff stands for a note on the piano. But before we can get to knowing which one stands for which notes, we have to see the difference between what's a line and a space note. So a line note is when the line goes right through the middle of the note. So you can think of it going right through the belly button. A space note is when it goes in the empty area between two other lines. So just like if you lost a tooth, the space is the empty area between two other teeth. With the space on the staff, it's the empty area between two other lines. You can try to see it if that feels confusing at first. You can just try to draw it off of the staff. So that's what a line note looks like. That way you don't have anything else confusing you. A space note is going to have the lines touching top or bottom or both of the note. So the question you're going to ask yourself, is it a line or space, is going to be, does it go through the middle of the note, or is it touching the top or bottom of the note? Middle of the note is a line, top or bottom is a space. Once you've done that and that makes sense, let's look at what it looks like on the staff. So I'm just going to draw some different ones and you can try to tell whether it is a line or a space note. So this one here, that would be, we're going to ask ourselves, does the line go through the middle of the note or touch the top and bottom? And we can see it goes through the middle, so that's a line note. Let's do one here. That one, we're going to ask ourselves, does the line go through the middle of the note or does it touch the top or the bottom? And we can see it touches the top or the bottom, so it's a space. So you can quiz on this if this doesn't seem automatic. In the book, there's a spot where you can quiz on it. You can also use my Quizlet set called Lines and Spaces.